Your brief for today is that you are the key makeup artist. You will each be given a collection of clothing with a note from the designer saying what they wish to see in their makeup brief.
Usually, the MUAs can prepare for their creative brief. Today will be a true test of their ingenuity under time pressure.
I'm just priming the eyelid now, so I'm just trying to get the base as flawless as possible because the colours I'm using are quite bold. I want them to really pop. I've taken all the discoloration away, and it's just a nice base to work on top of. It's like working on a plain canvas. Tutorials by Belinda.
MUAs, your first hour has gone. You have an hour and a quarter left.
Quite quickly. I'm excited with Belinda, and where she's going with this is really interesting.
The clothes are so outrageous. I hope she keeps it simple.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to stop here, but that makes me more nervous because everyone else is still working. I think if I keep working, I'm going to ruin what I've designed.
She's got like another 15 minutes left and she's just stopped. I mean, that's confidence.
I don't like this, I don't think.
MUAs, you have 4 minutes.
And I ain't changing it now.
I feel like I need to go and handcuff myself to something so I don't do any more.
MUA's time is up. Down brushes.
I wrote down 2 numbers and 2 words. 10 out of 10 and totally believable. Ding dong, darling, you nailed it! Amazing, amazing. You know what? It doesn't have to be always big or go home. It can be quite subtle. The clothes were really, really loud, and you just did a very simple thing that is so catwalk clever, really believable, very editorial. Amazing.
Well done.